Well, hello. In this video, I'm hunting the elusive Ptarmigan. At least this year, it has been very elusive. For half the season, snow was far and few in between. For this story to make sense, I have to show the footage from the previous day when basically
Oh
all
shit.
hope and will was almost lost.
I say, oh, they were they were here and got spooked when I shot at those others.
Well, as I was walking, I thought I had spotted a ptarmigan. Sadly, it wasn't. But then,
Herregud. Whoop! Go, go, go! Go into. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. I thought I heard something. Was that rock?
now I have overall 2 birds.
I
That's
heard
not enough
something.
for Christmas dinner.
Oh my god. Is it char like male?
It ended with 1 bird. We saw overall 4 birds on that mountain. That was the overall nail in the coffin. But my sister managed to talk to me and checking out the forest on their land the day after. Just as I was uttering the words, this was a waste of time. 4 birds flew up and I managed it down 2.
Okay. I don't know if this is what I shot earlier. But he I want to show you beautiful people this bird. I think this is that one. Since I was sitting there after a shot, yeah, its wing's broken. Thank you so much, little guy. There it is! There it is! Fuck! I thought I got to. Look at this beauty. It's not even bloody.
I decided to walk in this forest, kind of, to look for some birds. I wasn't optimistic because there's no, but I found 4 birds just sitting somewhere here. They flew up and got 2 of them. I'm gonna walk a little. I'm gonna go fish the landed over there. Otherwise, like, I got my fucking Christmas dinner. I am stoked. Absolutely fucking stoked.
Wait. wasn't recording that. Sniped! That guy came out of the woods. Oh, that's a bird. Ah. How am I supposed to get through this? Two down. Another one landed over there. But I... Oh yeah, I gotta check down there. Somehow there were fucking birds there. God damn it, man. Well, at least, what a specimen. Goes. Beautiful bird. I hate when they don't want to die. It's absolutely what I hate. These poor bastards don't deserve. Like, I crushed that guy's head, but he's dead now at least. Now I gotta fucking reorder. I've got too many birds. I ain't shooting more.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.